Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can subscribe to someone on Twitch on mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just find whatever streamer you have, like Asmodai, and here you're gonna see right next to his name, subscribe. And now I can subscribe for 6.99 per month. I will click on it, I will wait until it loads, and voila, here I can I can subscribe through GPay. And this is pretty much how you do it. And you can choose whatever streamer you want and click again subscribe. Don't kill me, dude, don't kill me.
Whenever my best friend gets drunk, he cries about his
So
first
yeah,
girlfriend, even though
thank
it's
you very
2
much.
years ago and he has a GF now. Yeah, the pain.
Have a great day and goodbye.